Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted reels on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to simply open up Instagram application on your mobile phone and make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. So you have to just simply update your Instagram first. After that, you have to just simply open up your profile by just tapping on below right corner of your profile icon. And here what you have to do is simply you have to go to the top right corner of three horizontal lines. So after clicking on these three horizontal lines, you have to just simply go to your activity section, which is on how you use Instagram. So you have to just simply click on your activity. So after clicking on your activity, you have to just simply find the option which is recently deleted. You guys can see here is an option which is recently deleted. You have to just simply click on it. So after clicking on that, you guys can see here is the reel which I have recently deleted. So in order to recover that specific reel, I have to just simply hold on that specific reel, or I have to just simply open up that reel. So after that, you have to simply go to the below right corner of three dots, and you guys can see two options. The first one is delete and second one is restore. So if you want to delete permanently, you guys can select the first option. Otherwise, you can select the second option to restore. So I'm just clicking on restore and simply click on restore. And in this way, you guys can recover deleted reels or post on Instagram for free. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.